another YouTube video, everyone! As you can tell by the fact that I'm not wearing eyelashes and that I am dressed lazy as fuck, and I'm wearing a measuring tape. 3 clues. We're doing another sewing video. That's right! Another sewing video! Aren't you excited? I am. I mean, I do this every day and I'm still fucking excited about this. So, I get to sew something really cool. This is a custom commission for a lady that approached me to make her a Lily Munster dress. I made a Morticia Addams, sort of like a similar Morticia Addams, and this is going to be the same. This is this lady's own interpretation of Lily Munster. So it's going to be close to the dress from the movies, but she wants it a little bit sassier. So we're going to add double leg slits, and she wants to wear a very cool leather bondage style harness over the chest. So we're gonna do a little bit of a fitted bodice instead of the gathering. I'm just trying to explain things that I'm just gonna draw you a picture and show you, and I'll show you the materials. But aren't you excited? Aren't you excited to watch me construct a Lily Munster? Here we go. All right, so here's the concept drawing of what we came up with together. So this is gonna be like a light lavender fabric. So we've got the 2 leg slits here. We've got the Batwing Sleeves. I've got some beautiful lavender sheer to make the Batwing Sleeves. This is a finger loop, so she wants the Batwing Sleeves to come down into one of those points that like hooks onto your middle finger to keep it secure. This is some beautiful black lace here around the neck. And then this is a very bad drawing of her own chest bondage harness thing. I can't remember exactly what it looks like, but she's going to be putting that on over top of the dress. And then I'm going to do the black belt and the black waist tie. So because Lily Munster's original dress has a whole bunch of like gathering and stuff here, she doesn't really want that because it's going to bunch funny through the harness. So we're just going to make it like a fitted bodice and then do this with the leg slits and the Batwing sleeves. So moving over to the fabric, here's the beautiful fabric that I picked up. So this is like a nice, beautiful light lavender jersey that feels so soft and lovely. This is the lavender sheer, which is actually reading lighter on camera. It's much closer to the actual fabric than you can see, but isn't that beautiful? That's going to be for the Batwing sleeves. And then this is the beautiful lace that I got for around the neck. Isn't that lovely? I'm so excited about that. And then I have some plain black ribbon to do the waist and the tie here, so that's not a problem. And then I also just need to pick up a lavender zipper and let's get sewing, eh kids? I'm going to make the bodice and skirt first. All right, so I finished something. The dress is cut out and it's partially sewn together, and I just realized that the camera wasn't recording that. I set it on hyperlapse so that you could see what I was doing, but it didn't work. I don't know if I didn't push it correctly or if my phone just fucked up. Either way, I can't uncut fabric, so unfortunately you don't get to see me do that part. But I'll show you what I've accomplished so far. It's not very much, so you're not missing too much. The sleeves are the exciting part, and they're still upcoming. So let me show you the progress. Okay, so here's what I've done so far. So these are the panels for the skirt, which I'm pretty excited about. There's a whole bunch of them here. It's going to be nice, full but not too full. This is the bodice so far that I've cut out and put together. So we've got the princess seams in it to make it fitted. Got the like nice lavender zipper in the back, which matches pretty damn good. I've got this small piece of fabric left over for whatever, in case I need it for something. So I'm going to continue sewing, which we will make sure the camera's working this time, to put the skirt together and attach it to the top. And then I get to work on cutting out the Batwing sleeves. How exciting! Let's keep going. All right, so far we have this. So we have the bodice sewn onto the skirt with, I know you can't tell because it's purple on purple, but the leg slits are pretty sexy. They go right up to here. That's the top of the leg slit on both sides. So now I'm going to cut the neck out because this is obviously like more of a crew neck and Lily Munster had like a big square neck. And I'm also going to cut out the Batwing sleeves. Exciting! Here we go. now we have the last thing cut out, the sleeve. Look how beautiful it is with its batwing edges. I'm really excited for her to see this. So sleeve, dress over there. Now we're just waiting for her to come for her first fitting. See you on the flip side. Okay, so Lily Munster has come for her first fitting. And things went swimmingly. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. It's almost like I knew what I'm doing and shit. Sometimes, most of the time. It's easier for me when people have almost my measurements, obviously, because I'm used to sewing for my own body. So I was pretty confident that it was going to fit her, and it did. And she's in love with it, which is amazing. So let me show you what we chose, and then we're going to continue. Okay, so here's the dress. I showed it to you before. So we just decided to take in the shoulders a little bit right there. So that side compared to that side this is a lot wider. See, that's a lot wider. So we're going to take that in a little bit there. I'm going to move down the neckline to like take that a little lower for her. She wanted that a little lower. And we have to hem it because she's a little shorter than I am, obviously. So that we're going to take that up. But that's it for that. And then she brought, this is the harness she's going to wear with it. So she brought it to try it on and she left it with me because we're just going to fake this. We're just going to take these rings and put like this. We're going to stitch them together just temporarily so she can take it out later. But so those sit closer together like that because this is too wide under her bust and it's making the dress look funny. So we're just going to pinch those rings together. So that's the harness she's wearing. We chose this beautiful faux leather trim, which matches the harness really nice to put around the waist. And then I already showed you the lace. That's the other sleeve and the sleeve. So let's get going. I'm going to take the alterations on the dress that I just talked to you about, and then we're going to put the sleeves on it. Let's go. So now we have this. It's all properly cut off and hemmed and everything, and the sleeves are attached. Look at how great these look. I can't hold them out properly. I'll have to show you this on the mannequin, but like, they look great. The neckline is done and bound. It looks awesome. I'm very excited about it. So it's starting to look actually like a Lily Munster dress. So now I'm going to thread the sewing machine in black, and we're going to start adding decorations. Let's go! So now we have this. I stitched this one down all the way along. And then this one is just pinned. It's stitched in the back and then it's pinned. I hope it sits correctly. I have to check that on the mannequin. Now I'm going to do the lace around the neck. I'm excited. We're almost done. It's done. Isn't it exciting? Look at these sleeves. Look at them. Oh, these sleeves are everything. Can I do both of them? Maybe. Am I that long? I don't know. Yes, I am that long. Look at it. Ah! It's so exciting. I know it's not exactly Lily Munster, but I think this is really cool because, like I said, she designed this herself, so it's like based on Lily Munster's dress, but she really wanted to wear her like cool harness. So this is it. We added that. I just stitched these rings together just a little bit there so that they stay up because this one wanted to go down here, which was covering that, which is no good. It has the double leg slits here, which is pretty sexy. So yeah, we did this belt bit here. I hope that's long enough. So I'm just waiting for her to come and pick it up. And hopefully she'll send me a picture of her wearing this so we can put it at the end of the video because I'm sure it's going to look fucking stunning on her. And she even dyed her hair. Like, she got the dark hair with the white at the front. She did that like just for this outfit. So I'm really excited to see how it looks on her when she's all decked out in her makeup and everything. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, if you could give it a thumbs up, that would be amazing. If you want to subscribe to my channel, that would be even more amazing. If you want to ring the bell, you can get notifications for new sewing videos. You'll have to let me know which one you like better, Lily Munster or the Morticia Addams that I made. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you want to follow me on any of the things, I have all of them. Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, Depop, Ko-fi, everything. I think that's it. So like, subscribe, follow me on all the things, ring the bell. Buy me a Ko-fi if you want to. Enjoy this goddamn Lily Munster dress. I'm really excited about it. And I will see you guys all around for my next epic sewing video.